Hey, welcome back, Commercial Finance Experts Academy. Commercial Finance Experts. Today, I got my friend. Actually, he's a client of mine that's starting out. Haibo Feng, and first-time developer.
Yeah.
How does it feel this year to have a couple houses under your belt?
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
And challenging.
Challenging. Hey, Haibo, just go back. I'll let them know about what it takes from somebody starting out with very little background. I know you were an engineer.
Yeah.
You were working on all these sites before in the past,
Yeah.
and just thought, you know what? I'm helping these guys make all the money. Why shouldn't I take a part of that, right?
Exactly.
That's for what you thought when you first started, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So, hey, tell me about your first project we helped finance together.
Oh, yeah.
On Reese in Chile.
Yeah. The one on Reese on Chilliwack.
Yeah.
Initially, it was a really old house.
A very old house.
Very old house,
Yeah.
and like a bungalow.
Yeah.
So the builder asked me to tell me the potential, and then I did my study.
Yeah.
I feel the potential, so I buy it out.
Yeah, you did some research, you checked
Yeah.
the city,
Yeah.
make sure the zoning's good, you make
Yeah.
sure everything's well done.
Yeah.
And it happened. What was the deal?
Yeah, because by that time, still the price still not catching up, so you really need to know what's going on inside.
Yeah.
So I feel that's a good deal. So I got it.
It was a subdividable lot, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's the beauty.
That's the
beauty
beauty
of it. Yeah. Because normally people don't know how to do it. So because I have some experience, so I can easily realize the potential.
So you saw the house. It was just a single detached house on there for sale with a big lot.
Yeah.
How big was the lot? Was it huge? Was it 10,000?
It's 160 by 120, so 1,700.
So it wasn't that big, 7,200 square feet. So
Yeah.
it's relatively small, even for Surrey, actually, average.
Yeah, average, because I think the city of Chilliwack just released a new zoning. You're allowed to cut the lot to at least to the minimum of 33 feet.
3,300?
33 feet wide.
33 feet wide. Oh,
Yeah.
so you can cut it as long as if it's like 66 square feet in width.
Perfect. If it's below 66, then
You
no.
can't.
Yeah.
So it has to be minimum 33
33 feet wide for one
Okay,
lot.
I see.
Yeah.
So that's how you figured it out.
Yeah.
So it was just not just time with the research you took into it. You found out it was subdividable.
Yeah.
So that was awesome. You sold the first house. The first house was built and then you sold. How much roughly was the gross profit from that?
Gross profit, so around 100,000
100,000.
each.
Not bad.
Not bad. Yeah.
Not bad at all.
I was in the right market.
Yeah.
Because initially we were talking for around 15 each.
Yeah.
And then the market goes up, so I got a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you never know, like.
Yeah. Initially, you were thinking about how much?
I mean, 40, 50,000.
40, 50,000
Yes,
square
the average. Yeah.
Average.
Average
Okay.
profit. Yeah.
And the benefit was the second house. How much was that sold for?
Second house sold for 629 plus GST.
So it was higher than what you initially thought. By how much?
By 78,000.
So $78,000 higher than you had projected.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. That's why we need to start the first step, and then you never know.
Yeah. So the lesson to learn from this is just take action.
Exactly.
Just do it. If you think there's a chance to make a profit, just do it.
Yeah. Find possible ways.
Yeah.
Find
the value play. It's a value play that you did.
Exactly. Yeah.
So the worst case you could have had was a good rental.
Yeah, you have two
Worst
houses.
case.
Yeah.
Nice.
A realtor friend told me it's always best time to buy yesterday.
Best time to buy was 10 years ago.
Yeah, 10 years ago. Yeah.
Second best time to buy was yesterday.
Yeah.
Right? Oh no, the second best time to buy was today.
Yeah.
Right? That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, I had the same conversation with a lot of people.
Yeah.
And there, I run the Synergy Real Estate Network as well, and I see people sitting on the fence. They don't do anything.
Yeah.
They come to all these events all the time. They don't take action. You came to an event less than most people, and you took action. Right?
Remember your synergy group. It really helps me a lot.
Yeah.
For all the information I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's great. So that's the first project you did. What was the most challenging thing that out of that project that you had? What was the most challenging thing you felt?
Well, most challenging must be money. Well, you gotta have money to build finish.
That's right.
Because before I finish, I also ask people like the potential how much cash I need.
Yeah.
So if you want to finish the whole project by yourself with own cash, it won't be available. So I need to figure out how I can get the money.
Yeah.
That's the most challenging part.
That's why I said, "Suo,
Yeah, cold sweat.
any
Yeah.
money."
I know, yeah, because my salary by that time is really like low, and I don't know how to manage, how to get funny.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. But you know what? You weren't scared. You were brave. You knew the money was not there for you, but you knew maybe if I ask somebody who can help me.
Exactly. Yeah, just always
it.
ask. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Which is that's one thing I learned from you.
Oh,
you know,
thanks.
Haibo is like. I live closer to Chilliwack than you did. You're like all the way in Kelowna, right?
Yeah.
And the Haibo comes down here to Chilliwack and does the project and makes money. He does another project, he makes money. Then another third project is like, so do you want to be part of it? Yeah, I'll be part of it.
Yeah. Now we can make money together. You know?
Why not?
I know, yeah.
Make money together with good friends and have fun and
Yeah, exactly.
and everybody wins, right?
Exactly, yeah.
So
Having fun,
it's just-
enjoying.
It's a good journey. That's what I like real estate.
Yeah.
It's like having a friend like, hey, let's go for a walk.
Yeah, and talk about it. Yes.
Up and down the hill. Here's the hill. Oh, there's a hill there. Hey, let's check out that hill.
Yeah.
That hill is 4th Avenue, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I think the project's come along really, really nicely. I'm looking forward to future projects with you.
Yeah.
But we should talk more about on the next video. I want to talk about that project we're working on right now, right?
Yeah, sure.
That's gonna coming back this summer.
Yeah.
But it's really great. So I'll end it short. Lesson I want to say is that you know what? It's just take action, like Haibo did here, right? He was engineering background, very analytical. You know, people who always says analysis paralysis. This is the guy who should be analyzing deals that he would stop him from doing anything at all because it's like he knows so much, right?
Mm-hmm.
What can go wrong? What can't go wrong? You see everything.
Exactly.
Over the years.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh.
Yeah.
And having a young wife is like, honey, should we put all the money together and invest? It's like,
Well, yeah. The wife's always conservative.
and because you have a conservative wife,
Yeah.
which is awesome though. But I appreciate thanks for sharing this video.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you learned something on this video. The biggest takeaway from me was to take action. And when you see people succeed and be successful, don't be envious and jealous of them. Join in the game, play with them, be part of their world, right? That's all I did.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Okay, thanks. Liked it. Click like and comment. And if you have a question below, subscribe to the channel for future updates. Take care. Have a good one, guys.
Bye.